Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, some string art type effect. Really pretty easy and kind of unique, a little bit different than I've made before. If we take a 2-point line and I'm going to make it 12 inches, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 6 inches, and I'm going to nudge it up 6 inches. Now I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees. I just see I'm not tall enough, so let's back up here and let's change our nudge factor to 2 inches and let's nudge it up another 2 inches. Now let's delete that one. Having trouble grabbing it. Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees. And see how I've got some space between them. Now I'm going to take another one and hit the plus key. And then before I do anything, I'm going to rotate this 45 degrees. And then I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. Now I'm going to lock these. I'm going to go to Object, Lock, and Lock. And the reason I'm doing that so I won't grab them. And then take another 2-point line and go downwardly to there and then upwardly to there. Now I'm going to check my nodes and they're going in that direction, in that direction. Now what's cool about them being locked, I can grab this with just grabbing those two. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and we'll blend them. Let's blend them 22 times this time. And you get that effect. Now Control D and make a duplicate and then nudge it over. Now that's pretty cool within itself. Now I'm going to Control G to Control D to group that or duplicate that, and then I'm going to nudge it. It doesn't go right, but I can have it snap to that line. Now I'm going to take all this. I'm going to go to Object, Lock, and Unlock All. By doing that, I can change the colors of my lines. Then we'll take the black box effect. Pretty cool little string art. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.